Coming to the last bit of the sharing settings is manual sharing. So all of these sharing options we have studied so far, which is OWD, profiles, permission sets, role hierarchy, sharing rules, team sharing, apex sharing, all of these are automated. So whenever a record is created, the system will evaluate all of these and will set the record sharing accordingly. But manual sharing, as the name suggests, is a way of sharing the record manually. So first thing is that as a user or as an admin, you are sharing a record manually. Make sure that neither of the previous one is working to share that record with the particular user or the group of user you are sharing this record manually. And if nothing is working, then you go to manual sharing and share the record. Obviously this is a manual step, so for each record you'll have to do it manually, so and hence it gives you more flexibility, but again it is a manual task, right? So what you do is you go to the record and you click on sharing, right? This would open and pop up like this, and here you can select whether you want to share it with a particular user, with a public group, with a role, or role and subordinate. So let's say I want to share it with a role, and then I'll search for the role. Let's select Western sales team again, right? And then because it's an account, you can select account, read, write. You can also select case, and you can also select opportunity. So what I want to do is I want to keep case private, but I want to give opportunity read only, and you click save, and that's it. So that's how you can share the record with that particular set of users, roles, public group, or roles and subordinates. But this would only work for the record where you have clicked the sharing and set up the sharing criteria. This will not work for all the accounts, so that's why it is called manual, and the rest of the ones here are automated. So they would work for all the records, but this would work just for the one where you have done the manual sharing. This is a very important thing to consider when you are looking at manual sharing. If you have any questions, you can join the QA session, which happens every Friday 3 to 4 p.m. GMT, which is 7:30 to 8:30 IST. And please drop in your comments, feedback, and any questions in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.